In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load snapshots into an existing Gohighlevel account. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the correct workspace. From there, head over to the agency view. This is important because snapshot management for client accounts is handled from the agency side, not from inside a regular sub-account view. Once you're in the agency view, click on sub-accounts. This will bring up the list of all of the client accounts connected to your agency. On the right hand side of the account you want to update, look for the option to switch to that sub-account. Right next to it, you'll see the three-dot menu. Go ahead and click those three dots to open more options. From that drop-down, select Manage Client. This takes you into the management area for that specific sub-account where you can make bigger account level changes. Once you're there, click on Actions. A menu will appear, and from that list, choose Load Snapshot. At this point, Gohighlevel will ask you to choose a snapshot. Click into the snapshot selection area, then select the snapshot you want to load into this existing account. Make sure you choose carefully, especially if the account already has assets inside it, because snapshots can bring in a lot of structure at once, like funnels, workflows, triggers, and other setup items. After selecting the snapshot, click Proceed. On the next screen, you'll be able to choose which assets you want to push into the account. This step gives you more control, so instead of importing everything blindly, you can decide exactly what should be included. Select all the assets you want to push based on what this specific sub-account needs. Then click Proceed again. Gohighlevel will begin checking for conflicts. This part is useful because it helps identify any items that may overlap with what's already in the account. Depending on the size of the snapshot, this may take a moment, so just give it a few seconds. Once the conflict check is complete, click Proceed one final time to continue with the import. And that's it. You've now loaded a snapshot into an existing Gohighlevel account. As a quick tip, after the snapshot finishes loading, it's always a good idea to review the imported assets inside the sub-account to confirm everything came across the way you expected. That helps you catch duplicate items or anything that may need adjustment before you start using the account.